All right, y'all, back at you. And we're actually on a road trip today, aren't we? And we stopped at one of our favorite parks in central Georgia, kind of central South Georgia. You can see around here they have an awesome playground over there that Teddy and his brothers just love, right?
Yeah.
There's even a splash pad area over here and a big field to walk your dogs and a track to jog on and stuff. But this park actually has a secret, doesn't it? An edible secret. What is it?
These trees right here.
Yeah, so if you look around, guys, if you're not from the South, these might just look like big oak trees or something, but they're actually pecan trees. Yeah, so we're at North Peach Park in Byron, Georgia. And this obviously used to be a pecan grove or orchard. And you can see all the pecan trees that they've left all around the park. We're standing in there's a row of them right here that we're standing under, another row, and they go all the way back here. And the cool thing about this is what?
We love pecans.
Yeah, we can, if we stop here at the right time of year, which is like October, November, December, you can find pecans all over the ground. I mean, as much as you can pick up, right? Yeah. So we like to stop here, especially during that time of the year, and load up on pecans for the year. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the rest of the year we stop here for the great park they have.
Yeah.
Yeah, while we're on our way. So, all right, y'all. Well, I thought thought maybe some of y'all would find this interesting. If you're ever heading down I-75, you're in central Georgia, maybe consider stopping at North Peach Park in Byron, Georgia, because this is just a beautiful, beautiful park. It's one of our favorites. Yeah. All right, y'all. Well, I finally learned how to put a subscribe button. I think it's in this corner, or maybe this one, but we'd appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing to our channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen?
You won't get any pecans.
Oh no, no pecans! Oh, that'd be a bummer because there's lots of pecans around here and you won't get any of them. So maybe consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, everybody take care.
Bye.